In primetime news this evening, chaos in House. Parliament descends into quarrel over CMU report. Health authorities on high alert in Jamaica after World Health Organization declares the coronavirus a public health emergency. And part 2 of a primetime news special report looking at coral reef relocation in Falmouth.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're both on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Vashon Brown has our preview.
Thank you so much, Janella. Well, the movers and shakers of the economy have spoken. And despite the rhetoric that the economy is improving, business operators aren't buying it. The latest Business and Consumer Confidence Survey was released today, and I'll have the details a little later on in the business day.
All right, thank you, Vashon. From Vashon at the business desk, we go to Spencer Darlington at Sports. He'll tell us what's coming up. Spencer.
Thank you very much, Herman. Well, after taking care of business against Ireland a few days ago, the West Indies now turn their attention to a tour of Sri Lanka next month. We'll give you more details in Primetime Sports later.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our feedback question this evening: do you believe public libraries are still relevant?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.